Last na, si Ernie naman.
The moment
Sige ba?
I'm waiting for.
Gusto niya nang makomplete eh.
So we can play that.
Instruction. Card. Pack. Ito natin. Yung. Ernie. Body. Ang leg. Ganda ng shoes niya. Ito yung rubber ducky. Build na natin. Ernie. Ayan si Ernie oh. Ang ganda. Looks so happy oh. With his rubber ducky. Ito yung accessories niya. Na, maglalaro na si Gabe at naayos na complete na namin yung wave 2 ng Sesame Street Blockies. That's all. Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more.